So Jay, I want to apologize for Amanda for firing off that one as the very first question. So that's a tough one. That's a tough one. Are you ready for your second one?
Sure.
All right. How you feeling now after that one?
A little abused, but let's go forward.
All right, Amanda, pick one that's harder.
Harder? I was gonna pick it. Okay. Why? Okay. I don't think this one's harder, but why are data-driven decisions crucial for success?
Ooh.
Wow, these are some super vague questions, man. Where'd you pull these from? See how mean we can be to Jay.
I didn't know Jay was going to be in the car with us today, so there was somebody forgot Jay at the airport. We won't name any names.
So I think that to piggyback on what I was saying before, in order to make sure that you're profitable, you want to do the data on time and production with wildlife is huge. For instance, we decided to make an average residential trap check that would take anywhere from a half hour to 45 minutes, be a minimal of $150. So we could value it like a pest control route.
That's smart.
So instead of being like, man, I'm losing my butt on these trapping jobs, or this customer has expectations, we put a limitation to how many stops are included in an upfront trapping job, and then how much it would be per stop after that. So I think that, data is super important. I mean, you need to be doing some research on which one of your processes is the least profitable by time, because everybody wants the big dog when it comes to wildlife. Everybody wants to land the big exclusion job, right?
Yeah.
But how much is your residential production on a daily basis per crew, and how do you equate that to being more profitable on a commercial job? Because I can tell you, if I charge this amount per linear foot, and you try to fit that into a commercial job, it doesn't equate to the same thing as a residential job. So
I remember when you made that change, that $150 thing. That was a tough decision to make too. Yeah,
it was, but I mean, my guys love to go do trap checks.
Yeah,
we pay 30% commission on them, so they're making $45 a pop. So
yeah.
they're trying to fit a couple in an hour instead of being, I don't want to call off this exclusion job to go do this because I make this amount of money. I mean, in some cases they're killing it.
Or skip it.
Yeah,
Just skip it.
Or skip it, or not. Don't have success with it. It also creates value in the fact that you can upsell the customer.
Yeah, I think
Instead of feeling like a trapping job owns you.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I mean, the meat and potatoes of wildlife is trapping and exclusion, and then you've got, other services that you fit in. So now, all of our guys are dual certified and trained, so our pest control guys love trap checks. So if you ask them to pick one up, they're like, yes, because they're making more money on a freaking trap check than a $100 pest control stop or whatnot, or a bundled stop, for 150 or 180 that they have to do a mosquito service, a pest control service. It's taking them longer. So.